Con ya son 7, un delincuente, un hombre de los negocios. Aquí a los jefes y rezo con mis socios. Para arriba, desde que salimos. Quisieron bajarnos, pero aquí nos mantuvimos. Quisieron comprarnos, pero no nos vendimos. Quisieron robarnos, pero nos defendimos. Al billboard, que no está pendientes. Porque el cantante solito hace billetes. Para todos los ojetes que decían que eran mi fin. Demostrado por el babo de donde salen los hits. Y ahora viene llorando. Les advertí que aquí no estamos jugando, esto es muy serio para mí. Y se fueron de aquí que porque ya iba para abajo. Pobrecitos pendejos ya ni tienen trabajo. Soy quien soy, por eso estoy donde estoy. Por eso voy pa' donde voy, sin que nos pueda parar. Fácil llegar.
Can you hear me right now? We're about to do it. We have a truck meet today to support my boss's restaurant now. He just opened it like a week ago. We really try to promote it, you know, so everybody can come and get some food. They got wings, they got burgers and shit. They got my boy Weedy right here, look. That's his really his meat, really his meat. But hey, shut up. Say something. Say something for the camera.
Hey, if you're not at the end look behind me, then where the fuck you at? Come on now.
Hey, this is the fucking meat. Yeah. Sunday Funday. This is gonna be lit. Look at it. Hella people too. My bad. I'm tripping. I ain't gonna lie, a little faded. YouTube. Yeah. What up? Bro, you got me hanging, bro. Oh, cool. Been a minute, wait. Hey, what, you got a charger? Yeah. Editor, you got a charger? You got a charger? You got a charger in the truck?
Yeah, why?
Can I use it?
Yeah.
Alright, bet. Hey, we going to my boy Edgar's truck. I don't know if y'all seen this since it got dropped. I never have it, right, Edgar? Like, YouTube haven't seen your truck? Not yet, bro. I have videos, but I haven't posted them, bro. I got hella videos I haven't, like, I haven't even sent it to my cameraman.
I can't wait for them.
They're about to set up on the grupo, the live music. They're about to set up. And I'm gonna take a walk. I'm gonna go see the church, bro, cause I haven't really seen them. I'm gonna take a little walk. Let's see what we got here, bro. That should be fire. I ain't gonna lie, I don't really know nobody of these people. Man, this shit clean right here. Man, this shit deep, bro. I never seen this shit this deep, bro. At the barbershop. So many trucks. Hella trucks, bro. Damn, look at this shit. This shit fire here. fuck with this paint job right here. Nah, I ain't trying to walk over there. That's too much, bro. But damn, this should probably look over there. That's a pass.
Hey, but we good. Hey, you see, that's what told me. I gave you warning on the 10th ticket. Oh, man.
Different drinks, bro. Different drinks. The clip, right? You still want to talk to my boy?
We're here at Murder Media right here. We're exclusive. We're with the man himself, G the Barber. We out here at Wheaties Meat, bringing out the folks. Not pulling up. We got some people here. Group was about to start, so
Tell them what you do, though.
hey, for the people that don't know who I am, I do photography here in Gainesville. I'm the most popular nigga right now. We're Atlanta's heaviest hitters, no cap. What can I say? Other than that shit, y'all be ready for tonight. So y'all go see all the nalguitas.
Yeah, yeah, latest plug. Look, we got the group already ready for them to play too. Should be lit.
Hey, shout out Grupo No Imperio, my boy. We up top. Team Murder, Team COG, Murder Media, baby.
Yeah, Murder Media.
Yeah, you better sing right now, bro. Turn up, bro. Turn the shit up.
Sí, dos, probando. Sí.
Y con un perico lavado, un mini reconciliado, con la gorrita de lado, la greña no me ha comprado, vino con la Valenciaga, y siempre nunca acaba nada, no me alegría la cara, y otra correcta sazón, rolando otro vagón.
Alright, you two, we about to head out, bro. I'm lit as fuck, I ain't gonna lie. We got a lot of music, bro. But y'all already know, bro, we lit as fuck. Best barbershop in the town, bro.